Ladies and gentlemen, Professor Blue has created a new creation that'll change Stikbots forever. Professor Blue? Alright, everyone come this way. Here it is. 3, 2, 1. Boom! Introducing Stikbot Helicopter. As you can see from the Stikbot Helicopter, one Stikbot can drive and control the Stikbot's legs, which act as a propeller. Just hold down the heads and you're ready to go. As you can see here, the Stikbot Helicopter can save you from refrigerators, the beach, a volcano, or your house cat and dog. Here, let's take it for a spin. Whee!